Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming this video in my hotel room in Singapore, and the reason why is because this room is amazing. I'm gonna do a little quick tour to show you my room. It's such a beautiful room. So I thought since I'm already here, I want to take advantage of this room and film video. And today's video is going to be my trip to Japan. I don't even know the title. The title will be like Japan Trip Luxury Haul unboxing video, and let's get started and let me show you what I got from Japan. Alright, so this is my room. I want to give you some idea what does the room look like. I'm at the JW Marriott Hotel in the South Beach in Singapore, and I got an upgrade room, so it's bigger, but I didn't pay for the price for this room. And it's because I am the platinum member for Starwood Hotel, and that's what the Starwood guests will get upgrade. Don't mind me the stuff on the table, we're filming video. So that's the bedroom, and let me show you the hallway to the bathroom and living room. Hi! So I have a little hallway here. Look at this, this is ridiculous. It's actually pretty long. And there's a little closet here. And I want to show you the bathroom. If you watch my Instagram, you saw me take a hot bath, and that's the bathtub. And you know what? Normally hotel bathtubs are very small. This is very large, so I was very impressed with that. It also has a beautiful city view here. I have a two sink, his and his, so it's both my sink. And there's a shower too. Let me show you guys. There's a shower. It's not that big, but pretty nice. It's a rain shower. Okay, let me show you to the living room now. It's totally messy, so please forgive me. This is small, tiny little pantry kitchen here. Has an espresso coffee machine. Oh my god, this hotel is so fancy. They are using the TWG tea bath. They are expensive, very, very fancy. So this hotel room has a lot of mirrors everywhere. Alright, now you saw the room. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And again, because my job, I travel so much, and I always stick to the one hotel brand, that's SPG. And because that, I have a very high status with the hotel. Even though I pay for the cheapest room in the hotel, but a lot of time I get to upgrade to the room like this. Yeah, I'm so happy. And I'm so, just so you guys know that anytime I check into a fancy room, I always share on my Instagram, because my social media, it's our social media. It's a place that we share fashion, luxury, travel, and beauty. So feel free to tag your posts on my social media, especially Instagram, so we can all see it together. Just want to share that with you guys. Okay, that's down. Let's get to the business today. There's three luxury piece I purchased in Japan, and I want to share with you guys, kind of semi unboxing video. Okay, the first item I want to unbox and share with you is by Yayo Kusama, and she is famous for the polka dot design, especially yellow and black. And she had a collaboration with Louis Vuitton many years ago. I don't even know how many years ago was that, but that was before I was starting collecting Louis Vuitton. And I still love those pieces, but you can only get it on eBay. So in Japan, she has a museum, and you can go purchase items. And let me show you this is so cute. She is famous for ta-la, pumpkins. So this is the little pumpkin key charm. Let me show you guys. Charles, you guys know him by now. He is my fan become friends, and we were meeting up in Japan, which you saw the video earlier, and he went to the store. I was like, give me something, so he got this for me. I don't even know how much is this baby cost, so I apologize that, but just look at this, it's so cute. So if you're ever in Japan visiting Tokyo area, you must check out Yamakusama's museum store. This is so amazing, so cute. Let's move on to the next item. The next item I want to share with you guys is, I didn't even know this until Charles mentioned to me. So I'm going to show you a pattern first, okay? Just look at this. If you are a big Louis Vuitton fan, did you recognize this pattern? recent collaboration from Louis Vuitton. So this is the collaboration from a year ago with Christopher Nemeth, and he's known for this robe pattern design. And correct me if I'm wrong, okay? From what I understand, that he has 2 stores in Japan and 1 coming up in New York. That's it. So this is his own boutique. And of course, we were like, oh my god, we have to buy something. And it's amazing. I mean, the store is so pretty. I'm gonna show you a little clip right here so you can take a look. And of course, I didn't want to spend too much money, so I find some more iconic piece. So I found this beautiful pouch. Let me open to show you guys. This is absolutely beautiful. So pretty. Oh please. Okay, look at this. I mean, you don't need a logo or a name. Say it's the Christopher Nemeth, because if you know his design, it's this robe pattern. So you know exactly what it's for. And I picked this because it's the right size for me. And this is the let me show you guys a little bit. That's the logo. See that? Okay. And it's in the, let me see, the inside is a double layer lining. It has a 2 pouch on the side. So I bought this, and again, I don't know what happened to my receipt, so I can't really tell you all the price. So I am very, very sorry, but I believe this is less than $100 US. I believe around that. So it's not crazy expensive. So but when I look at this, I feel like it's still missing something. So now let me show you something really cool in his store. So Charles and I was in the store for literally 2 hours, figured out what to buy. So I found this bag that I really like, but it's kind of just missing another element. So I saw the pant. It's the fabric pants. Let me show you guys. Look at that. There's yellow, blue, and the red. So the store is carrying different pattern, different sizes. So we decide to use the pen to put on the bag to create more texture, more layer. And let me show you what this looks like before and after. Okay, so this is the before, and this is after. What do you think? I mean, I thought we are very smart. So you can definitely reapply this tip here. Buying a simple bag and you add some accessory on the top, it just makes it so much more interesting. So I can't wait to, you know, carry this around to show you guys. And the texture is I think it's some kind of muslin fabrics with the ink pressed over it. It's really pretty. It's very earthy, so I really enjoy this. What do you guys think? Leave the comment below. The next item I want to show you guys is by accident, because when we planned the trip to Japan, Miso Jenny and Charles told me that in Japan they have a lot of fancy cafe, designer cafes such as a Gucci cafe, Hermes cafe. So I thought, oh, I want to go to Hermes cafe because that sounds so fancy. So we get to the Ginza or Hermes and we walk into the cafe. It was like, no, it is so stuffy. It's all the way on the top floor. There's not much air conditioning back there. There's nobody there. You just feel like you don't want to be in there. I'm sorry. It's just maybe the day I was there is not good, but me and Charles look at like, we're not gonna be sitting here drinking coffee with hot heat. So we left the coffee shop, which is inside the store, and then we turn around and the houseware item, I saw something. So I know you're probably like, oh my god, what is it? Don't get too excited. This is like a very small item, but I really like that small item, of course, and I also love the box. So I want to show you what I got. Okay, so let's unboxing this together. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's all about the experience. It's not about what's in the box, right? Even there's only paper, it's okay too. So let me show you guys here. Da 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 da. Can you guys see that? So there is business card, tags, and let me show you guys. What could this be? What could this be? I don't know. I don't know. Do you know what this is? Ta-la! Look at this beautiful fabric pouch from Hermes. Oh my god. And I believe this is roughly around 200 US dollars. Again, I am not a big Hermes shopper, so I don't know how much this costs in the USA. Maybe cheaper, but I look at this way. Some people always ask me, is cheaper buying luxury good in Asia? Generally speaking, it's not. Asia is much more expensive. But I feel like if I'm shopping in the store in Asia, they treat me really nice. I have a really great experience. If I can film something in there, I'm gonna buy something small. That's how I feel. So, but look at this. This is so cute. It's just a simple pouch. There's not much going on. There's 3 different color, I believe. It has a yellow and blue. And I just picked this a beige, this earthy light brown color. It is so pretty. I think it's expensive for what is this, but it's Hermes, so it's okay. Let me show you guys what's in here. So I don't know, let me just open it. So the lining, there's no lining inside, just a pouch, but it's made in France. See that? Yes. And it has this just nice letters, little I don't even know what do you call this. The thing is a leather strap thing, and it has a zipper. Just go like that. I mean, it's just very, very cute, very small. And then after this, I realized, oh my god, what's going on? I'm like totally buying the same material. Does that ever happen to you guys? You go shopping, and then by end of the day, you say, wait a minute, I bought the similar thing. Yeah, but that's okay. I'm still very happy. Still really like this. So, what do you think? Let me know. So there you have it. When I was in Japan, it's such an amazing experience. Last time I was in Japan was nearly 12 years ago. It was not so amazing. The reason why is the internet was not that great. There's a lot of language barrier. We get lost. I mean, it's just not that pleasant to me. But now I went back with a technology support. I can I can navigate myself in the subway much more easier. Translation. People speak more English there now, so it's an amazing experience. So these are the 3 items I got from Japan. It's actually all kind of relate to it, don't you think so? I think I can somehow put them together. Would be really cute, like, you know, I kind of sewed this in the bag. Oh, I wonder, can I do that? But anyway, so this is the 3 items I purchased. I just want to take this moment and say thank you so much for all your support of my YouTube channel, and I want to let you guys know that without your support, there's no way we can keep going doing video once a week. It is not easy, even though I have people to help me to editing the video, but still a lot of work. So I really appreciate that your passion and support my brand. And there's gonna be a couple exciting things happen for Mr. Jen All-in-One, and I can't wait to show you guys. And you know, just please continue support and share my video. And if you like the video, comment and give a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow all my social media right over here. And I want to say thank you so much for watching again. That means a lot to me. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.